Okay. Let's try giving it to the cat. Why isn't it focusing? There you are. How are you doing today, Nara?
Hello? Hello? Barely.
What?
Did you put her credit cards in with the catnip? Okay.
Hello, fellow people. It's Marsh from Marshmate, and I just gave my cat catnip. She's going crazy. She's acting super weird. Look at Nora. She's just like, what the heck? She's trying to make it open.
She's going crazy, huh?
Yeah. Okay, good. Here's the part where she can't find it. She's like, no, where is it? Oh, there it is. So funny. Look at it get back. Jazzy, roll over. Jazzy. Jazzy, roll over. Come on, you just did it. Aww. I'm